can win this bike right here for just $20, bro. A dub.
I put the G right and go, for real. My youngest still trap by the stove, for real. I told her I love her, she think I'm for real. All the secrets you hiding, I'm glad you revealed. You popping your shit like you popping some pills. I'm popping my Glock and weed, I know.
It's a sad day for the GT. Psych, boy, come on, man. We about to make this bread, you hear me? Y'all see by the title, y'all see by the thumbnail. The CRF150RB, the crispy ting, is going away for just $20, bro. $20? If you ever spent $20 right now, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. Subscribe if y'all new and hit that that bell ASAP, man. Y'all let me know in the comments y'all think I'm about to get, man. Either it's a 250, a 2020. It has to be push start, bro. A push start 250, or I'm getting a truck to haul my bikes around. Jacob lifestyle bike. She's gone. I done fell in love with the quad, man. It is what it is. It's getting cold. It's quad season, man. The 150, it was, you know, that's still one of my all-time favorite bikes, but you know, it's time to level up, man. Time to level up, get something new, man. I'm tired of depending on people, asking people to come pick up my bike. Shout out to my guy Tony, man. Y'all know Tony. He wear the full face helmet. He be on the other 150 and the 125. Shout out to everybody who come through for the boy. They always come scoop my bikes, man. They don't ever want no gas money. They just show love. I think it's time for me to level up, get a new bike. Definitely keeping the TRX, but I definitely want to be able to haul my own bikes, go anywhere I want to go. I'm tired of depending on people, man. It's just time for me to level up. I got a daughter now. Step my game up to this YouTube and stuff, man. Lately, I've been slacking, man. I ain't been having no motivation for real, but now, man, I woke up today ready to go crazy, man, and sell y'all this bike for $20, man. You know, sometimes, man, y'all think YouTubing is simple, man. It's not, bro. I promise y'all it's not, bro. My job is to entertain y'all, and when the views and stuff are not there, it's, you know, put a little, you know, a little wear and tear on you sometimes, maybe, you feel me? But hey, man, I woke up today feeling blessed, feeling good. Make sure y'all show love, share this video. You'll continue to go up, continue to go crazy.
Go ahead, man.
I know, I'm done now. I'm about to go ahead and put the bikes out, man, and get ready, you feel me? I was saying, man, you can win this bike right here for just $20, bro. Y'all know I did this with my CRF150 for my real OGs that's been rocking with your boy, man. My Cash App and Apple Pay. Matter of fact, we're just gonna do Cash App, man. Cash App will be linked down below. I'm gonna put it right here, you know.
Be the main bird. You it.
And when I was saying I didn't have no motivation to make no videos, I wasn't saying it like I'm on some depressed type stuff. Nah, it's just sometimes you gotta take a break from things, man, and evaluate yourself. Let yourself know like what's the next step. Elevate yourself. You feel me? Gotta evaluate myself to take this shit to the next level, man. And that's what we gonna do. And y'all know, I know y'all gonna help me to get there. So we're gonna continue to go up, continue to go crazy, man. Y'all know she's still that crispy thing, man. That's still that crispy thing, bro. I ain't even wash it, bro. I ain't gonna watch it till the raffle over with. You know she go crazy every time. Compression A1. Compression A1, no cap. Come on, man. I ain't rode it in 2 weeks, my boy. 2 weeks, man. 2 weeks. One kicker. This ain't the 21 either, man. This is the 2016 joint, man. The crispy joint. You feel me? Come on, man. 150, y'all know doing this, dog. Come on. Crispy joint. Oh, that wasn't even no kick, that was a problem with my mama. Come on, man. Crispy joint, dog. No 21 neither, dog. What I say down there? 16 my dog. Okay. Every $20 spent is an entry for this bike. So say if you send me $40, that's 2 entries. You send me 60, 3 entries. You send me 200, you feel me? That's how it goes, man. So I'm not playing with that boy, man. We outside. I'm gonna get with y'all as soon as we get to the lot, man. I love and appreciate every single one of y'all, man. Make sure y'all share this video if y'all trying to win this bike for this $20. We got the TRX in the cut, man. That's my baby right there. Let me show y'all. Y'all ain't really seen it like that, man. But let me show y'all, dog. Let me show y'all how mint this thing is too, man. Next to the next to the charger. Ooh, come on now. Come on now, you slacking, Leek. Hey, man, I'm gonna get with y'all as soon as I get to the lot, man. I love y'all. Yes, sir. My boy, the 42 Dougie. Hey, man, we out here at the lot, dog. We got my boy Clutches out here, Alex. Lil bro on the 85. Y'all know we got Doug out there bit too, man. My guy Tony coming out here bringing the 150 for me, his own. Y'all know right now mine is getting raffled. Okay. Alex, what's good, fam? Third clutches. Ooh. Better get around that, my boy. For real.
You came home finally?
That was all he came home. Okay, y'all. My God, y'all ain't seen the 125 in a minute, man. Y'all know the channel first came out. That's what he was on, man. It was, what we gonna? Ooh, okay. Is it 21 team?
No.
Oh, okay. 21 rebuild, man. Don't play with it. What?
This nigga broke.
Say what?
I just said you already dropped. You gonna say when? Bro,
Are you talking back there?
bro, this on camera, bro.
Woo! Okay.
I'm doing more combos than you though.
Bro, you keep dropping, you're not landing your combos.
Ooh.
I'm not even my bike, bro.
Every combo he do, he drop.
Yo, my man, camera shot. He camera shot, bro. Okay. They know that you smoke Tony,
Yo, I'm trying to get them angles, that's why. Yeah, I'm trying to get them angles.
Out here waiting on, you can tell they out there waiting on us too, bro. Like, you know how we usually hit up that whole strip that we got, you know. Yeah. They literally sit right. I don't know if they really waiting on us, but I'm finna show y'all where they sitting at. We got gas? Tripping. You got gas? Nah, ain't no hoagie, bro. Ain't no hoagie, bro. Chill. It's definitely not a hoagie. Alright.
Want it?
For sure.
Yo, hold this bike, yo.
Oh, yeah. Ain't nothing wrong with it, bro. It's all, let me see. We way up here, like, them boys trying to catch us lacking. I'm finna tell him, I'm like, go through there. Let's see what he do. They're over there trying to catch us lacking. No sirski. Oh, that bit running, ain't it?
Sounds good.
That bit got a trampoline on that bit, huh? That bit got a trampoline on the shop. Let me go down a bit though. Boy. Oh, I left my phone, bro. Oh, no, I didn't. T-Time, we already up here.
Oh, shit. I'm walking in the room, boy.
Oh, they walk. No, sir, ski. Hey, man, y'all see the smart ones down here, man. Okay. Now come out a little more, bro.
Just bring the bikes up there. Stop wheeling on the roof.
Oh, this big bulk up here.
That's crazy.
We gon' rock in it, bitch. On some bullshit like Torah, but gloss in it, bitch. Nigga think they the plug to the psychic get hit. Put my foot in the hole, I be socking the bitch. I got more bills than